How to make italic text in WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to format your messages with italics quickly and easily. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, open the chat where you want to send an italic message. Let me show you. From there, tap on the text field to bring up your keyboard. At this point, type an underscore symbol before and after the word or phrase you want in italics. For example, type underscore hello underscore. In the next step, once you send the message, it will automatically appear in italics on both sides of the conversation. From there, if you want to make an entire sentence italic, add the underscore at the very beginning and very end of the sentence. At this stage, let me show you another way. Type out your message normally first, without any symbols. Following this, select the text you want to format by tapping and holding on it and dragging to highlight the words. Once done, tap on the three dots that appear above the selected text. From there, tap on Italic from the formatting options that appear. At this stage, the selected text will now be converted to italics automatically without needing to type any symbols. Here's an important note. Formatting like italics only displays correctly on devices running a recent version of WhatsApp. If the other person has an outdated version, they may see the underscores instead of the actual italic formatting. And that's it. If this guide helped you make italic text in WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.